Want to customize your Windows Start menu with OpenShell? Whether you prefer a classic Windows look or simply want more control over your Start menu, OpenShell gives you plenty of customization options. In this guide, I'll show you how to use OpenShell in 2026. First, open the Start menu and launch OpenShell menu settings. This is where you'll find all of the options for customizing your Start menu and related features. Next, select the Start menu style you want to use. You can choose from a classic single-column layout, a two-column layout, or a Windows 7 style menu. Click OK or Apply after making your selection. Now explore the customization options. You can change skins, adjust icon sizes, modify menu behavior, and choose which folders and shortcuts appear in your Start menu. These settings let you personalize the experience to match your workflow. You can also adjust how the Start menu behaves. You can configure search options, decide what happens when you click the Start button, and customize how frequently used programs are displayed. After saving your changes, open the Start menu to see the new layout in action. Browse your applications, use the search feature, and make sure everything works the way you want. If you'd like to customize things even further, reopen OpenShell menu settings at any time. You can continue tweaking styles, shortcuts, menu items, and other options until you're happy with the final result. And that's how to use OpenShell in 2026. With a little customization, you can create a Start menu that fits your preferences and makes Windows easier to navigate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.